Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The commonly heard Hakka term "pu" simply means dry soil that can't support rice paddies. Waipu Township in Taichung County suffered from this fate until a canal was built which allowed farming. When visiting Waipu, don't forget to stop by the Liu House in Sankan Village, spend a day on the farm, and sample delicious Hakka rice delicacies.
客家人称为埔的地方是指不能种水稻的旱地。台中县的外埔乡以前就是这样的干旱之地，后来开发水郡后，农牧业才渐渐发达起来。由外埔可以参观三坎村的流屋，到牧场一日游，还有可品尝好吃的客家米食。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And today we're going to bring you to another great Hakka town in Taichung County, in a town known as 外埔乡。在台中县有一个外埔乡很有名哦。
错，外埔乡哈，这边有一只孕妇村，
孕妇村，
嫩牛的养殖场。
哦，孕妇很多孕妇吗？孕妇村
不是啦，
不是啊，
它的地名叫永丰村。
哦，永丰村，然后有一个什么乳，你刚刚讲的。
对。乳牛嫩牛养殖场
哦，嫩牛养殖场
就是乳牛的养殖场
啊。OK, so there's actually a dairy farm over there， 那就可以挤牛奶啦，对不对？可以喝牛奶啦。
对啊。
哦，that sounds like a lot of fun。除此之外还有什么呢？
那边哈，外埔这片哈，有个葡萄也有名
啊，葡萄。Oh, so not only can you get milk, but you can also pick some grapes. OK, 这么健康，听起来又有葡萄又有牛奶。那除此之外，我相信这个地方应该客家的美食也蛮多的才对。
错啊，像去那个捏板
哦，听过爱板吗？
对，爱板
啊。OK, so this is a kind of a Hakka sticky rice dish. 还有什么？
还有个那个糍粑。
哦，糍粑。我们常常教这句话，要小心念这句话。可是我们常常教到糍粑就是麻糬嘛，对不对？
麻糬。
哦，so this is mochi. You've heard it as mochi or as a sticky rice snack. So once again, there's a lot of great things to do here in Taichung County's Waipu Township. For instance, the dairy farm 有一个乳牛养殖场。
嫩牛养殖场。
嫩牛养殖场 ，and you can pick some grapes 葡萄。and you can eat 爱板 which is a Hakka sticky rice dish.
捏板
and don't forget the sweets, the sticky rice snack known as mochi, 麻糬
糍粑
Well, that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么大家
安子谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.